I must admit, I've eaten many Indian sweets, but I've never made them from scratch. So Helly's here and we're going to be making one of her favourites, Sandesh.
Yes,
Sandesh.
Sandesh is a Bengali dish, and it is a simpler one to make out of a lot of complex dishes that one could make.
So what is Sandesh?
Sandesh is a mix of fresh cheese curds and some sugar, and then we flavour that with a little bit of saffron or pistachios.
Okay, so very minimal ingredients for
Very
this.
minimum, yes. The milk has come up to simmer over here in this pot, and then we're adding some yogurt in here.
Okay.
And that is going to help the milk curds to separate.
Right. It's almost like you're making ricotta.
Yes.
Yeah, because ricotta you would add the milk and the lemon juice. Here, the acid that we're adding is...
It's the yogurt. So the acid in the yogurt is going to separate all the milk curds, and that is going to leave a creamy product instead of something that's acidic.
Wow, it's already starting to form now, the curds.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long. So we are going to simmer this until all the curds are separated from the whey. And next we are going to strain this out.
Okay. So we have some muslin cloth here and a strainer. There we go. Do you want me to lift that for you, Helly?
Yes, please.
Okay. And we'll just pour it straight in.
Pour it straight in. We'll get all the liquid out.
There we go. Fantastic.
So we're going to squeeze out all the way from here. We
Okay.
can put something heavy on it so that it actually completely drains out the liquid, and then we're going to knead it.
Great.
So this is now kneaded, and we wanted this to be a little bit smoother.
Because it was very crumbly at the beginning, and it still is, but at least it's holding its shape a little more.
Yeah, and so we're going to heat this up ever so gently on a non-stick pan,
Okay.
and we will also add some icing sugar in it.
Icing sugar for sweetness, of course.
Now you can add more or less icing sugar. It's really up to how much you enjoy.
Okay, right.
Here we're just incorporating the sugar into this mix, so we're not really cooking it too much.
Right, okay. So just because of that heat, because we've cooled it down so much as we squeeze it out all that way, we're just dissolving it into the curds. Very nice. And that heat's just on a medium heat, not too hot, so we don't get any colour. You don't want any colour on this?
We don't want any color on this. We just want the sugar to dissolve into this mix. So now this is ready.
Okay.
And then we are going to put it in a tray.
Great.
And then we can add some crushed saffron.
Okay, I can do that for you.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to knead this again a little bit. And so now we are just kneading this a little bit more. So we're getting rid of all these little lumps that we have here.
Okay, so the key here is getting as smooth as possible.
That's right.
And I've just ground that. Look at that colour.
That's
And the
nice.
smell of saffron. It is just one of the best, isn't it?
That's the king of spices.
Yeah.
And then we'll add some saffron into this.
Okay, try to get that sprinkle.
Yes, please.
Lift it up heavy. There we go.
That's good. All right, so we're giving a good mix now, and it already smells like an Indian household during Diwali, where we make a lot of different sweets.
Tell me about this little project that you're doing at the moment. I love the sound of it. A little sweet boxes.
Yeah, so just for a limited time, we are going to do mithai boxes for Diwali,
Yep.
and it's going to be some of the best ones, I think, that I've made, and we're going to use some of the best produce and freshest of the ingredients. So that's available online
In Melbourne?
in Melbourne.
In Melbourne. So what is mithai?
Mithai are little desserts,
Yeah.
and most of them are small enough in the size that you can just pop it.
Just like this, but
Just
it's an
like this.
assortment of desserts. It's not just one.
Yeah,
Very
because
nice.
it's Diwali, it's celebration, so you want a lot of different varieties.
How great.
Okay, so now that is coming together, I just want to give it a last little knead. So now we're going to portion it out in little bite-sized bowls, like so.
And you've brought this gorgeous mithai box here.
Yes, this is a beautiful marble detail on top.
Gorgeous.
And then a little sliver of pistachio goes on top of that.
Shall I do the honours?
Yes,
There we
please.
go. Just like that. Wow, they look great. I'm going to try roll one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's quite soft. It's almost like dough. To think that this was just milk and yogurt at the beginning, and it's turned into these gorgeous little sweets. Put one there. I'll do the little pistachios. And can you make these sandesh into different flavours?
Yeah, absolutely. You can make some cardamom flavour. You can have some rose petals as well.
Very nice. Different combos.
It's a very traditional Bengali dish.
Is it? All right, last one. And our pistachio. Wow. Well, they look like a beautiful box of sweets. If someone bought me these sandesh, I would be very happy. I'm going to have a little taste of one.
I think.
So good and not too sweet.
Yeah.
And it's about the texture too, so it's creamy. And that pop of saffron right at the end, delicious. Thanks for showing me these gorgeous little treats.
My pleasure.